Now next step is create a virtual environment. So this is the command for creating a virtual environment. So I am just copying it, and inside the terminal I'll just paste this command and run it. It will create the virtual environment. You see this folder is created .venv. That means it has created the virtual environment. The next step is activate the virtual environment. So this is the command for activating the virtual environment. So I just copy this command and I will go to the terminal and I'll just paste this command and then press enter. So the virtual environment has been created. So this is the virtual environment that we have created. Now the next step is, what you have to do is you install the required Python libraries. On my system this is already installed, but still we can run it. So this is the command pip install and the package's name. So we go on to the terminal and we just paste this command and press the enter button. Now these libraries will be installed. What are the name of the libraries? OpenAI, and next one is the python-env. This is the library which is required for our programming purposes. When you want to install any library in the Python, your command is pip install and the name of the library. We will use it for more libraries in the future. Meanwhile it is installing, what we will do is we will create our first Python file. So first we will create a folder. So we will create a folder inside AI agent. So this is the menu, new folder. Here I will create a folder day01. Within this folder I will create a file. What is the name of the file? First I will create .env file. So just I will copy this, and within this folder we will create a file. Click on new file and create the file .env. So this is the file. Now once this file is created, it will be open in this area. So here now we will write the code. Meanwhile you can see here these packages are installed and you reached at the end of your terminal. So I am closing the terminal right now and we will write the code. So the first thing is the setting of the environment, providing these parameters. So we will provide this parameter. So copy it, paste it. So this is the code for the .env file. Next file is hello_ai.py. So this is the name of the file, hello_ai.py. So create a new file, hello_ai.py. This is the name of the file. Now in this file we will write the code. So this is the code which I will write here. So this is the code. This code has been already explained to you. I will explain it little bit here again. So this is the code which I have copied it. Thereafter you have to save it. Go to the file and save it. This is I am telling you just for the first time. Thereafter we will do it quickly. So the file is saved. Then you have to run this file. So open the terminal. In the view there is a terminal. Open it. This is the terminal which you have got. You can clear it out so that you go right at the top here. Thereafter you write the command python and the name of the file, hello_ai.py. It has given an error. It did not run because it is saying no such file or directory. It is searching inside AI agent folder. because you are right now inside AI agent folder. So you have to change the folder. CD, that means change directory, and you write day 01. Now you write this command python hello underscore ai.py. Now your program is running. Since your program is contacting the AI model and trying to get the result from this, it will take little bit of time to give you the response. Meanwhile, you can see here that we have imported this first step. Then we load the configuration from the .env file. So this is the command, this is the function through which you load the environment information. Thereafter, you create a client. For creating a client, you use the OpenAI function which you have downloaded through pip install. So we'll use this, in which we will provide it with the base URL as well as API key. So this is already explained to you, and thereafter we will send a question to the AI model and all those operations will happen, which has been already explained to you. Now, what was the question? The question was, what is artificial intelligence? Now see, your program has given the output. So we can see here, this is the output. What is artificial intelligence? So this is the output. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating systems capable of performing tasks. This entire thing has been given to you, right? If you will want to change the question, you go here, change the question, and it will reply for that particular questions. So congratulations, you have made your first basic AI assistant. But there is a issue that every time you have to change the question inside the program, right? We will solve this problem in the next practical exercise. Thank you very much.